Another weekend of football action we had this past weekend. Pirates has done it again. They have won another trophy in just 84 days. Imagine, after winning their trophy. Absalom Wadu is the coach that took them through to the victory. We'll talk about that, as well as the last dance of TLB Mbigazedi Mbogazi, who had his last dance with Orlando Pirates this past weekend. But before we get into that, let's ask you to like, subscribe, and share this comment, as well as share the content as well. We will be talking all about football. And remember, we have bringing this episode to you from WBS. That's World Sports Betting. Bet with the best. Hashtag WBS. I've got Junior Kanye on my left. I've got Michael Nkambule on the right. Gents, how you doing?
Thanks kunjani?
Ngikrende wena?
Ngimnandi thanks.
Thanks kunjani mfethu?
Mnandi wena?
Mnandi.
Yeah. So this past weekend we had action-packed of football, but we'll talk about, what everybody's talking about. That is the Carling Black Label. Currently, Orlando Pirates is sitting on top of the log. Currently, Pirates has got 2 trophies in their cabinet from one coach. This makes it 7 trophies in the last 4 seasons that Orlando Pirates has got. We're talking about 4 MTN8 trophies. We're talking about 2 Nedbank trophies. And now we have 1 Carling Black Label. And this is their second, because their first was in 2011. Your thoughts on the game, Michael?
Inhlanhla man, uyazi man, bathi yadla emnyama. Hayi man, ngendlela engibone ngayo inhlanhla vele angibonile man. Pirates was very strong man. Even though kule game le ngifile ngathi ucoach Owadu mhlawumbe wole wasabanyana yabo ukudlala against Lontuza ngokuthi ngimbonile uze ngomakhehleni.
Yeah.
Njengoba sihlala sisho ngale out ukuthi angeke umpredict. Umakhehleni uqeda ukubuya ku-injury, uyabuya uzostarta ku-cup final. So lawuthi le manage team yangenye indlela, but into important ukuthi uthola ama-results. But I feel ukuthi uyisabile kancane imaroom, singazi ukuthi i-game plan yakhe bokuyini, understand. But I think ngama-way phona nawo bekumele ngabe uyibulele le, but ekugcineni uwinile.
Yeah.
Simshayela izandla ngalokho.
Let's talk about that, Junior. Your thoughts on the game. Sizongena phakathi, but overall summary, and then we'll unpack it as we fall.
Yeah, mina ngihlale ngisho yes, medicine kuwadu. Ama-flowers, but technical team of Orlando Pirates, Bumpumi Khoza ngisazoyisho mina.
Yeah.
Abo Nkosana Khoza, even the chairman himself, Dr. Ivan Khoza.
Yeah.
I believe banesandla sikhulume ngabo Mpumi Khoza nabo abo Nkosana. The reason being, it didn't make sense to me when assesses Anhlanhla in that game. We talk about the game that they decided trophy.
Yeah.
We talk about the final. Gonna my expectations. It turns out obvious was gonna be high.
Yeah, sure.
The opponent you're playing against bazodevelop effort. Remember, you're playing against Orlando Pirates, the current best team in Africa as a continent. One of the best current team in continent as a whole. One of the best. You mentioned even the trophies that they won in short periods of time.
Just 84 days apart. Yeah.
Minang compliment the way they identified players.
Yes.
I figure suited the style of play. Some compliment to well done Mshanezanda with these 2 trophies. I think he won it in style.
Yeah.
Very different Orlando Pirates. As they play Badlala as a system team, they also allow players to express themselves. Simshali Zandwari, because they took out the best out of individual players. Now they've got 9 players at Bafana that are going to AFCON, one of the top cup around Africa. You understand? We're talking about the world. It's amongst the best. Africa is the biggest. We took out the best out of those players. Well done. Pirates, they're dominating. Bafana stand very influential as well. Going to the game, clicks. Game. I think Pirates, that's why game balance. You understand? Pirates never dominated that game the way being corner. Yes, they had so many chances first half
Yeah.
compared to Marumo Kalans, because of individual brilliance players they've got to Orlando Pirates and Kumangabo really. Apollo is not much of the game. I'm surprised by the man of the match, but I can't fault Apollo. Each and every game, the guy who raises hand. ngihlale ngisho mina noma kuTyson wonke umuntu bekalwa naye bekafuna ukumshaya yabo bekatrainer times 2
Yeah.
re lebogile Mofokeng not much of the game but ube nama moment but you can't take him off because I trophy ulifakile umfana Mbekezeli Mbokazi kumele ngimcompliment umfana angeke usayine abroad ubuzodlala igame njengale knowing ukuthi psychologically you are very excited and happy umfana lo una 20 years omunye ngabe uye wa got carried away udlala leya game enza silly mistake ingqondo ise you understand well done to the boy ukuthi remain calm I very I can be honest, tactical game. Very tactical game. Both coaches, even Marumo Kalans. Well done to the coach. Chelama player can become. Well done to the players complimenting. Responder very well. Technically very good. But they were not hitting the Pirates. Bebanga hate the Pirates. Bebanga defend the center.
Too much.
Yeah, defend in the center. Pecking midfield. We are the Pirates very dangerous. I'm surprised coach didn't start with this Sipombule. The game there bengeke so tight ngale ndlela bengeke ziyena ku extra time if Sipho started for me that's my observation because you needed a player a brave onokuhlakanipha a player with risk you understand uSipho Mbonile mangena Nhlanhla but needed that creativity. Paris never created so many chances ngikhuluma ngathi cut uyangikhuluma nga first half it's because bebangakhona breaker they were forcing Orlando Pirates to go wide kudlala among back to cross and but thank you also evident Makgopa I think he game expose the position play this I mean to say his position ukuthi you need to stick on the box stay there angithi bathi ndlale ngama cross actually they force you ukuthi near wide and then with the hope ukuthi Undaba bringing those crosses ngapha also this guy will be bringing crosses hlala on the box in the height stay there rebound so that you can score Marumo Gallants azange hate Orlando Pirates no they were playing in front of Orlando Pirates yes ngimshayile izandla coach Abulela they are 97 years old I mean to say 97 born I mean to say Liangwenyana tactical is spot on, yalazi bhola, but he's more of a development coach. He need an assistant or so experienced that will complement his job, yalazi bhola. I mean to play against pound to pound against Orlando Pirates. It's a pitiable one with the quality Pirates they are ahead. That's why they end up winning the game. But well done to Wadubona. Second half he responded very well. He brought this guy Umremi. He brought also Sipombule. Sipu change the complexion of game. Uqale slow. Ngathi beyanga umapanga but beka le pass ayidlala ngapha ku Relebogile Mofokeng good run from this boy if not mistaken I think it's a striker Mbuthuma or whoever he took a run and then they blast it le bola rebound skabula le bola Relebogile Mofokeng well done ukuthatha responsibility to be on the box vele ma winger or number 10 must be utholakala eboxini if ibola liza kwenye direction uyalipass uyajoina futhi eboxini uyephasa lela bola phela so well done to Orlando the coach another game I win a benching futhi simshayile izandla that's why ngithi last week bengithi out of 10 ngimnika boma 6 7 and ngizomnika 8 9 slowly is going to convince me enye into engithanda ngePirates they play man akusesele speed yaka Jose yeah ukuthi sodlala ngeplan when you play Sundowns they feel it they play whatever the way they want so well done to the coach well done to the to Orlando Pirates team.
Michael, let's talk about Marumo Gallants, their approach to the game, their style of play and their execution that led them to actually lose that game on Saturday.
I think kona Nhlanhla man mubheka naye iplan ezengayo coach against Pirates I think na ukuthi uzodlala nePirates with a false 9 I think na imkhoste kakhulu we understand because iPirates makunombokazi kuno Sesana baposes idanger because mabasebholweni abantu ba comfortable ebholweni banga distributor anywhere labafuna khona understand so I think ukuthi adlale nge-false 9 I didn't see I hate Pirates kakhulu because babe kundlondlo every time abaphethe ibhola ufuna ukushifta wide I think iPirates kwazile ukuthi bamanage kahle ngalento yabo ukudlala nge-false 9 ngoba uyakhumbula ngisho abayenzani eMarumo kokuqala le so I think uwalu na into emenzile ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi yazini things protect ukuthi ngingaconcede but egcineni ngiyazi ukuthi ngizokora man yeah but iMarumo it was poor for mina ukuthi adlale without a striker against team efana nePirates because mongathi uyacheck azange bayihete kanje iPirates no Sipho Chayine nje
But it's the same team that actually took out the current PSL champions. The same team that played in the Champions League final, which is Sundowns. Marumo Galanzi Kipe is Sundowns. So what stopped them from actually eliminating Pirates?
Pirates access Sundowns this season.
Yeah.
Pirates access Sundowns this season. Manga check, Pirates is the strongest team.
Yeah.
I think nokuthi baphume ku CAF Champions League, it was a blessing in disguise.
Could that have been a strategic move, or was it like a blessing? Like it's something that was a coincidence, but it ended up working in their favor.
Yeah, I mean, into engayishangeke bayibona nabo bayenze ngokuthi vele nabo ekugcineni bebafuna ukuthi baqhubeke, but ekugcineni uyazi uNkulunkulu angakuncentsha ngapha kanti ufuna ukukuvulela ngapha. But bona for bona manayi hlanhla labantu bayashisa man.
Because the same could be said nge-Sundowns. Because angithi Sundowns, like most of our domestic cup games, abekho lapho, and someone can say no, it's a strategic move because their main focus right now is to conquer Africa, because they've done it here at home where they've won the league back to back 8 times. So rather let's focus on, so mhlambe the Pirates has decided, you know what, let's filter down and specialize mhlambe enteni thize, and then let's let these others go.
Yabona ya nhlanhla kula maklapa amakhulu ayikho into enjalo, lonke icup elidlalelwayo kula ma club lawo meni lwina nhlanhla. Cabinet imedicwale nhlanhla kunakuthi bathi iswethi iscompromise alili. If it's possible, that's why ama teams, they have to sign ama-player. That's why you need to have it depth, you understand? And then anything imshayela ngayo wadi izandla ngayile squad management. Uyakwazi ukumanage ama-player wakho. Uyabona everybody is happy. Wonke umuntu uyayithola i-chance ukuthi adlale. Shoot nami usejimini uyaspana awazi ukuthi ngizodlala or angeke ngidlale. Shoot uhlala uready lapha. And then mongena kumele uphakomise isandla. And then omunye umuntu kungakhulunywa ngaye man mhlanhla kumele bamshayela izandla man. Ucoach uMandla, assistant coach uMandla Ncikazi. This guy has been there isikhathi eside lapha. Sevenze na different coaches.
Yes.
He never complains. I guess ukuzwe what the team is divided because some of the assistant coach but divide the team because if bekwabanye abantu because ufuna lo msebenzi walabantu, but every coach efika lapha man uyabona ukuthi uyayisupporta and uyabona ukuthi ama results nawo manje. I think lento abayibuilde lapha man is very strong man.
You're talking about players showing up, ne? There's a player that came on fire this season when it started, but as Samboni, I'm not sure what's happening. Usibilibili.
Yeah, hey, njoba ngayazi you right man nhlanhla, but njoba ngisho ukuthi uyabona nawo Samboni noma ungambona ukhona ukuthi ubone ukuthi usibelebele akasekho njoba ngisho ukuthi Pirates ba strong ngaloko nhlanhla this season. I think bazoshaya ama team ngalento leyo ngoba bakudla nasebhenjini abantu yabo ungadlala nabo ukuthi angizobamba labo mabacala bayebhenjini
Section.
hey balethe amanye ama lightning futhi, so hayi ba dangerous ngaloko this season. I-depth ibanceda kakhulu man.
There's also Junior like a lot of people are having a debate, ne? Ngonomtatshela ukuthi abanye bathi kumele angene, abanye bathi no bekungamelanga angene. Can I have both your thoughts on that? Let's talk about him as a player, his contribution in the game, and why is it that people feel ukuthi akumelanga angene, abanye ba feel ukuthi no, other people should be given a chance instead of him. Your thoughts on that?
That's the boy started very well.
Yeah.
Maba mqala koLorlando Pirates ngihlale ngikhuluma ngedevelopment mina.
Sure.
Yabo. Obviously we can't develop you if you're not talented. You need to be talented first.
Yeah.
And then we develop you, especially at the right age. 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, yes. We need to do 7 years, still okay. 8, yeah. The boy, I think, will start champion teachers ningakhulu yabo.
Okay.
Well done for him to get the contract to earn any contract from Google la bekadlala khona to Orlando Pirates. Well done. He started very well. I'm not surprised. Coach Mshile, Hugo Bros, ngikhuluma ngafcon. He saw it. The boy started very well, but he needed to maintain.
Yeah.
I think he failed there. Ngihlale ngisho ama-player angekho proper developed. You can be proper developed without awukho talented. Nalesa iyabamba. So the guy nakhona iya-depend ukuthi udevelopha ubani yabo, because you can say development uphathe i-certificate yonke into stuff, thola ukuthi on the field you can't even apply lezo i-certificate on the field, but uphethe yonke ama-qualifications. So Nomtetshela started well at Orlando Pirates. Nomtetshela, one of the best talent, but now we start showing Orlando Pirates is feeling the pressure. I don't think psychologically is so strong. Ile ntabo Sibelebele yabo similar na Sibelebele mina there was a hype with him. like I said mina ukuthi ngifuna ukumbona going forward. I can't just say sibelebele unzima did very well umfana to score ku Sundowns kulo le cup, you understand, ukuphuma ku Sundowns. I think MTN8, I mean to say, and he did very well. Gwalona Pirates makaqala na usibelebele into efana kana Mtshela is injured. I heard na usibelebele but collapse noma ngabe yakhona bengekadlali. So noMtshela, to tell the truth, yiki coach imshile kule squad criminal. It dropped him. His performance has dropped. Kunama expectation he need to maintain. Remember ukufima up kunzima nhlanhla, but to maintain iyenzima kakhulu.
Yeah.
Now if uSiphumbulu uqala ngaphandle eOrlando Pirates and then Mtshela start, doesn't make sense. Siphumbulu yako AFCON now. As we speak, Siphumbulu is going to AFCON. Important player for Hugo Bros, number 10, which is unbelievable. Siphumbulu is more for number 10, central midfield, but you must start their position. So Mtshela, I'm not too sure why he's starting at Orlando Pirates. There's quality players at Orlando Pirates.
So you wouldn't want him to start?
He can't start because what has he done recently for him to start?
Okay.
I want to find out.
Earn his place in the starting line.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We understand
Sure.
that because angithi players ngisho kuwe ngithi Mbule can do very well. He can come this week and we knew the game. Even Bafana, he come and do very well. Usipho Mbule.
Yeah.
And then Usipho Mbule.
Yeah.
Uthola ukuthi Orlando Pirates is starting on the bench. He become an impact player.
Thanks.
Angazi uyangibamba Nhleks. So the point is here, Mtshela for me, I don't think he deserves to start the game. If I can be honest, at Orlando Pirates. Ngoba I don't, yes, with the coach sometimes bacabanga indlela yakhe, but to tell the truth, game hayi bekamela ngaqala game uNamtshela and then abombule bahlale ngaphandle, it doesn't make sense. Noma ngabe bathi uyaspan and stuff, there's a player bangamfaka there coming to the job very, very easy at Orlando Pirates. There's many top class players. Angithi Michael ukhuluma ngedepth. Who can do, players that can do a job lemfana lo ayenzayo, because adding number, he's adding a number. It's just adding a number, yeah.
All right, Zizo.
Yeah, mina Nhlanhla into engayisho ngalo mfana uMasindi man, he's not a bad player ngaleyo ndlela yabo, but angisho uyazi ukuthi vele ibhola linjani.
Yeah.
Umuntu nomuntu unama views wakhe, even supporters yabo. It's the same similar thing efana nongwana sisi. Abantu bazothi awungwana sisi unjani. But as coaches thina abantu ababa trainer abantu they see different ngongwana sisi, because asazi wena ukuthi ku system yakho ufuna ukudlala kanjani. But if you check equality ekhona vele angeke ucompare ukuthi uNemanjela angadlala kunabo Sipho kunabo Kabelo kunabo, like there's lots abangadlala lapha, but as a coach umuntu ojima nabo every week angeke sazi ukuthi yini la ibonayo, because into ayiphosisa ngibone ngayo yena he's got the energy. Yeah, uyakwazi ukuthi ayasha box to box, you understand. So into engicheckile nami uSpaul is talented, but you were great yakhe. The problem about you were great. I don't think ukuthi angayicala ngiwe great, yeah. So I think the coach, that's why mhlambi zama ukumanage into ezikanjalo.
So kubafana fani enough, Paul is starting against Nigeria. We know talk about Marumo Gallants.
Yeah.
Against Nigerian European players.
Yeah.
And
African players, yeah.
yes, and
That are playing internationally. Yes.
international Europe, which top class league.
Yeah.
That's my point. Mbule start the game and finish. As number 10 need to run we must play off the ball. Number 10 is more, it trainer more than central for me. Yes, both I know we must work very hard, but la central, it's about the distance. You must be able to run a distance. You must cover a distance more. But lapho number 10 must be able to run behind the defense. You understand? You must be able to join on the box. Sometimes team might break it, you needed to be in the box. You understand? There's no drop buzo marker. Obvious, so number 6 with defensive midfield, you must stay with him. Mawudlala sort of number 10. So you train their position. So uyayicala iqede game. Yabo. So uSiphumbulu it's a matter to coach akwazi ukumspanisa kuphela. The intent ngoba bese kamnila 8 minutes imagine there. Ungenile 8 minutes left. Ngikhuluma nga second half. And then you had to push with the Pirates. You had to push uSipho ke uqale a bit slower, to be honest. More extra time uSipho kula sengimbona khona, because Squeezer on the bench he's a bit slow Sipho, but nengude enkulu. You understand? He hardly run. Ba calculate ama runs abo, they don't just run. Yabo, but ufuna ubelieve ku enye into, energy akusitalent in that. There's something that you can work with. Mangamtshela uSipho ukuthi bheka la, if you're not going to give what you want from you, we're going to take you out. It's very easy. It's an experienced player. We have SuperSport. He played for Sundowns, Bafana. He played for Champions League. It's very easy ukuthi ayenze lento. Dani talent umfuna into anganayo. Angazi uyangibamba. So uSipho Mbule ikule game ungena win the Pirates game. Abanye abantu yes really scored. He didn't do much, but enhlanhla ubheka composure.
Khona into ebizwa i-bottom line.
Yeah.
And that's what really did.
Yeah.
He didn't just finish the game for them, he won the game for them. And we always say, ukuthi ibhola ayifani neboxing.
Yeah.
It's not about how you played throughout. It's not a matter of sharing points, but it's a matter of who gets to win. And that's what he did. And we're talking about a player, he's not had like a fantastic season so far. He's not had the season that Rile had last season is way different than the one that he's having right now. But what we can talk about is how at a very important time, he will show up and he will score games for you. He did it with the Nedbank Cup. He did it again with the Carling Black Label. So what do we say to his psychological mind coming back onto the game? Whatever that was distracting him when the season was started, could we be seeing the best of Rile coming back? Or was it just a fluke?
President ama-2K.
Yeah.
Le muntu leya wena Nhlanhla mayindule into ukuthi abantu ngiyazo bakhuluma ngalento ukuthi mhlawumbe izomshaya ukuthi ama-player hamba. I-football man injalo man. Kumele ube strong. Mangabe is survival of the fittest. If you are not strong, angeke usurvive. But I think really uyaprove ukuthi u-strong ubuya ku-injury manje. But into azenzayo bheka njengamanje lento isho ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi abawinele ama-cup. Nayi lento iyaphinde. I-confident iyabuya. Football is all about the confident. Because if mongana confident angeke ukhona ukulala.
So wena ucanga ukuthi lento leyo ukuthi amanye ama-player adlale naye afike naye like how Nkota is gone uTLB nayo yahamba and then yena usasele, could that also maybe imphazamisa kancane and not give us the best of him?
I think mangabe into enjalo izomphazamisa kancane izobonisa ukuthi like mentally akekho strong. Even lento yenzakala nasesikolweni ungafunda nabantu namhlanje baphase mara masekuya kwesikhathi ufika ubathola endleleni ubadlule. So impilo ukuthi yana nje into kumele yenze ukuthi kumele abe strong, afocus ebholeni lakhe enze into yaziyo. Really talented and clicks. Nakusa ku AFCON manje sazi ukuthi angeke sazi ukuthi kungayenzakalani. Ukuthi laba bahamba ecala kusho ukuthi they are more talented than him. Umusa kaNkulunkulu lento ngihlala ngisho manje kunabantu abadlala kunabantu abadlala ku PSL, thina sidlalile ku PSL kunabantu beba best than thina. Azange bathole opportunity, you understand? So ezinye zezinto into kumele yenze umfana for mina awuzobuya shisa lo mfana Clicks. And mina for mina ngithandazela ukuthi noma ngathola i-contract angayi kulama country lawo man.
Sizobuya kuleyo. Sizobuya lapho sizobuya.
Yeah.
But basically he's coming back. He's bouncing back. His strength mentally and now on the pitch. Is he delivering? Has he delivered? Like, let's talk about the few games that he's played. So Lokabuye injured. What have you made of his play?
Enhlanhla class is permanent feature. Yeah, lentwana leya is like eBhayibhelini. Khona Moses, khona Daniel, khona Matthew, khona uSawuli, uCrystal Paul, yabo, khona uJesu Christ. Kusho ukuthi labantu bebakhuluma noNkulunkulu but in different manner. uChrist that's why makazo hamba emhlabeni ke kakushintsha amafu cala. If bekafuna bambulala bazi ukuthi because of his identity makafuna bayangathi nonke ngicela ngicime done actually last number. So lo mfana loya ufola kwenye category. Angeke sibone lento after isikhathi eside. Is gonna not good abekho. But that boy maningi ama-player ngawabona mina but talented bawabiza ngamagama banzima le yazange ibe nelakhe and stuff. Sometimes you need to mix i-talent and the character.
Sure.
Ilento mfana nayo.
Yeah.
Unezinto ezi-2 like abantu abaningi ngibabonile mina but lo nzima bambize ngegama. Always that's why ngimention mina ngithi ngifuna ukumbona makathola i-contract ku-Pirates or Chiefs. Because psychologically icala ufika ukuthi inamba bazokunika yona beyigcoka ubani. Yenzeni in the history. Secondly, ucompete nabo bani. Third, each and every game you are playing it's a home game for you. Wale yonke indawo Durban whatever mawudlala kulama club lawo. And fourth, yonke into nje unama expectation mawuthola mele ugive back. Enye you need to maintain ukuthi ukorile last year wenzeni ngenza example njengorile young player of the season and then this year ngoba nami yangishaya Nhlanhla leyo nto le true yabo uMichael can testify ucale kahle kube mnandi and then i-team njengamabomu some kume nama-reason bakuthi ebhentshini psychologically are gonna be fit strong enough to stay maintain so loya mfana lo uphethe enye into ufola kwenye icategory abasimaningi amaplayer njengaloya mfana to come etlaphe njenge-Orlando Pirates to win games we can mention name now asibaningi sikhuluma ngokuwina amagame angisho ukuthi ube ne-impact winning games the boy is a legend of Orlando Pirates if we like it or not ukufola ku-that yes
He's not had many seasons, Junior, for us to define him as such.
lalela mangithi is yes akakafiki you can't say he's a legend but uya lapho Nhlanhla because the truth is lo mfana came last season against Mamelodi Sundowns ku-final 15 minutes akusi-coaching lento ayenza laba mbongani uzungevala achophoka lela bhola kungukuthi started the tournament very well umfana coach imbeke benchini nge-final uJose Rivero he came and won the game for the coach so uJose Rivero wahamba azi ukuthi la mfana loya uyisithenjwa he's a young player ebesirelaya kuye so the boy is in a verge ukuba yi-legend Orlando Pirates izinto azenzile ngesikhathi esincane even many players abana 7 to 8 years ku-Orlando Pirates okanye 5-6 abanazo azenzile
Mara ukhuluma nge-consistency and the long run. Can we give him that opportunity maybe to express himself in that long run before defining him as such?
Angisho ukuthi legend is in the verge of doing uzoba yilo already Nhlanhla can tell you the truth ne ukuthi impilo ifuna luck in life you need luck that boy if you could be realistic i-youngster bimele namecala le kuwonke and to not kule country lama youngster lamanye we don't have a jealous bonkotha bombokazi because sometimes you need to for you to play Champions League kumele uqale kwenye indawo somewhere ngimshayela izandla mina imbokazi we going there but lo mfana kube besiba nevar ngoba impilweni need luck if you could be honest bekumele kambe necala lo mfana one of the best talent in Saiphinda that boy ngimshayela izandla psychologically is very strong that boy ne talent elingafani maningi ama youngsters e South Africa I was not surprised for him to win Young Player of the Season and he was a contender bamlinkane Player of the Year as well unfortunately bekhona Lucas Ribeiro that was ahead but the distance bengekho ingekho igap Ribeiro remember experienced player 26-27 this boy was only 18-17 19 khona lapho now the boy ezubuya ucala ebhenjini umbheke I mean to say this year kube nama rumor his father got involved you understand baba khe got involved ukuthi why I understand psychologically umfana mangithi strong bezomlimaza injury
but did that not sort of ayizange
imphazamisile umuntu angeke ihlale kufana nayo le move kaNkotha imphazamisile angeke ihlale ezinye that's why ngithi yamfana strong unenhliziyo elitshe nengcondo elitshe just you need to remain humble ngiyamcela ngiyambona the way ngimbona ngakhona angisi close nomfana is mangibheka akusumuntu otholakala noma kuphi angithi and I love his attitude the attitude yomise fair lo mfana so wathola injury for the boy he got injured I watch ne move na iyafika yaka Mbikezeli Mbukazi amthole la he came back and play mbonela ngene as a sub azange adlale bad but bombona ukuthi akusuyi kuya kunjani the boy came last time he won man of the match before this game and now you won the game Orlando Pirates ngikhuluma nge-final another cup from the boy we like it or not yazi Nhlanhla mawukora uba ku-history angeke nobody will remember istyle esenza uba maswa ngayo rubani the history mangikhuluma ngehistory ngithi the boy in the verge to make kuba i-legend Orlando Pirates kusese early true mhlambe nami ngimphusha but lo mfana like it or not Orlando Pirates technical team management I mean to say they know with the boys in the verge ukuthi abe management abe I mean the legend so you just need to remain humble kunezinto azozibreak abanye abathole la or baspend iminyaka abangazenzanga that boy ngesikhashanyana esincane right to Michael it's a blessing in disguise mina kusukuthi ngiyayiwisha ibhale phansi is gonna happen lo mfana is gonna go to Spain or even partly straight to England lo mfana uphethele I believe
hayi ukuthi angibelieve angithi uthenga ibhale phansi ngizoyibhala phansi and then we'll come back to it oba nesikhathi sobhala isikhathi sobhala idate and then sibone ukuthi vele ukuthi uzoya lapho now all right on that topic yokuthi players are leaving and psychologically gune like it had affected him but also we could look at it as a motivational factor into the rest of the team, especially how Pirates is performing this season and how the coach has actually improved. Like, I'm a player, like they must believe in themselves, they must do well. TLB, it's official. Last week, Maskuluma, we were still not sure what's going to happen. And then during the week, he was announced. Uguti definitely is signed with Chicago Fire, and the deal is done, sealed, and delivered. It's 51 million rands. That's rumored to be around the deal. Let's talk about him coming on to Orlando Pirates, spending a season like spending with Pirates. And I mean, like, he played in the pro side for how many months? And then Siraya Hamba. Psychologically, Michael, what do you think is going through his mind? Njengoba zonke lezi zinto zenzeka, he gets promoted, and then after promotion, while he's trying to establish himself as a professional player, he gets to leave the PSL, and then he goes to the MSL.
Ya Nhlanhla, njengoba ngisasho ngithi ezinye izinto zenzeka ngomusa kaNkulunkulu Nhlanhla. Mongathi uya-check-a uMbukazi usacala ukupromothwa, uyafika uyadlala, wonke umuntu uyambona uba yi-captain Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
Then early age.
For sure.
Manje uthole movie imagine Nhlanhla before i-AFCON. But for mina bengifuna mani ukuthi i-Pirates iholde on man until adlale i-AFCON. Mhlambe bekuzozenye i-offer better than that. But for yena man Nhlanhla man, no, usipanile umfana man. Uyadeserve, one of the best players esibonile kule age akiyo, experience ayibonisile man. Ngathi 10 years ahead man, ngathi like udlale kudala lo muntu asefieldini, you understand? I think man uyadeserve le move lo mfana. Njengoba ngisho ngithi izinto angeke zisenzakalelo ngokufana, you understand? Akalindo Real angeke sazi, mhlambe kuzoza iBarcelona.
Yeah.
I understand. But yena simshayela izandla uMbokazi, uyadeserve wona Nhlanhla yonke lento emenzakalele. Usebenza kakhulu lo mfana, ubonise inhliziyo yanayo uyabonisa ukuthi akasabi umuntu at a young age. Afiwe ama-player afana njengaye. Ya uyabonisa ukuthi is a fighter. Ukwazile nokuthi naka captain i-team naku ufake necup uhambe kamnandi. Bamniki i-last dance yakhe bemnandi. Bemnandi kakhulu Nhlanhla.
And then you don't really agree, right, with the country le ayaguyo. You always said ukuthi MSL is actually a country that he should be making his move to. But according to stats from 2019 to 2020, 38 players from the MSL went to Europe. And then in the 2024-2025 season, 77 players were exported from the MSL. They managed to go to Europe. That says something about growth yabo as a league and how it's being recognized by European countries. Do you not think that this is also a great opportunity for Mbegezeli Mbokazi to actually go to that league and possibly stand a better chance yokuya in Europe?
No,
like saying una 20, sorry kuphazamisa, una 20 and then usazokhula. Mhlambe like, ukudlalela away from home, ukujwayela a different crowd will be the reason why he gets to go to Europe.
Ya mhlambe Nhlanhla njengoba sisho ukuthi izinye izinto azike ezandleni zethu, yabo, njengoba ngisho ngithi sometimes uNkulunkulu naye ukudlala indima yakhe. Angeke sazi ukuthi mhlambe yena makafika lapha ukuthi ke kungayenzakalani, because sometimes kunama player vele ahamba kulawo ma country in order ukuthi mhlambe succeed. So the players edlala boma Champions League nani. So nenye into it depends with the player, because some of these move njengaye Mbokazi is 19 or 20 and then usuka mhlambe ku Pirates okay, he was earning, but ngale move ayakiyo manje uyodla imali ningi, uyodla ama-dollar manje, understand? So into important manje sekuzokuthi imela enzeni i-discipline ukuthi uba hungry kangakanani, because we sometimes unalento ukuthi fana noma uhleli ekhaya ungasebenzi, unganamsebenzi, nguthola umsebenzi ohola 4,000 ukhohle into ezibalekile, understand? So njengaye ngangathi mhlambe njengoba sekathole le move sekabona imali bese uya-relax, I think kusamela sebenze, unama opportunity ukuthi ngoba ne-age isamvumela.
Yeah. Junior, nakhu uyahamba TLB and uhamba, like Michael is saying, a beautiful last dance, a beautiful send-off for him. Ukuthi uhambe with 2 trophies at Orlando Pirates, him having to have the captaincy armband. For a 20-year-old, what do you think that will do for him when he gets abroad?
Nhlanhla, congratulations for you man, because of your research. Yeah, so is umuntu obana la ngisho ukuthi the research you've done, one, you spoke about the liga yokuyo, knowing how many players they've moved.
Spotted, yeah.
Actually, easy. Yeah, and I've worked with so many journalists. Sometimes the info that you've got, they don't have. Honestly, well done, Tlantla. Congratulations to you as well. Going to Umfana. After isikhathi eside to see the last time OJ defender they saw Mbulelo Mabizela, who captain Orlando Pirates, the youngest player. Playing the position very sensitive position. We talk about the center back. Like I said, I'm not too sure the trophy or the trophy empty, and the boy when he scored the far, he bola Koragude.
Yes. Hey, that was a cracker.
Yeah.
Yes.
I said it's a life change goal for Mfana.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, I said it with this kitty.
Bye Palapant.
Ngamtshela uNkulunkulu ngathi life change. Ungabuyela kule clip. Check ivideo yale bola makalkora. Amana sibonga uNkulunkulu namakhehla ziningi into esisishilo zenzeka uNkulunkulu akusuthi siyazi nathi sivele sikhulume singazi. Actually so I said it with this kitty with the life change for Mfana.
Sure.
Mau defend ukora. You consider less when you are playing. City team yakhe consider less. Ukora magola njengalawa. Kuba ibalance. Going back bengisasho after isikhathi eside OJ I think ahambi untwana singasi kube namo okay whatever happened to OJ bengasacabanga ukuthi lizovela iplane njengaye. If that boy is not the closest OJ mhlawumbe uthi OJ imdlula kancane ngoba OJ bekwenye into at the big cut, very talented, could play in the midfield, which is Mbogazi Mabangamdlalisa mina ngibona ukuthi angadlala la. Yonke ukukorelela goal, you can't play there. Technically very good. Shange awareness, timing, strong. It's got speed, can deal with 1v1.
Big heart. You
come into Orlando Pirates, play first game he scored. Nishi Dabi yakhe. He scored ngenhloko. First game Orlando Pirates. Yeah, he's Derby. Ufika manje first season you have call. Not even friendly games. We're not talking about the trophy that is you're going to have call. You win the place. Uthola ama players ala uphethe premiership that they've been playing regularly last year, season before last, and then you come and break the break alone, and then you tholakale kule final squad. Compliment to the boy. Future captain for Bafana. If nakuwa khona ngamangala bamnika belt. Thatha buspace experienced players babike benchini kona Pirates akuse easy. Sesane I know ukuthi injury imlimazile ebengifuna umbona dlana Sesane lo mfana but CM ufika fit like a glove. Also compliment to CM compliment lo mfana cause sandla lesimele sigeze lesi. They complementing each other. They protect each other very well. Lo mfana Nhlanhla ufika captain Orlando Pirates. Lo mfana udlala against Nigeria like bengathi udlala igame yona le Marumo Gallants. You hold on to the boy. Nhlanhla mfethu mfana njoba show there was a gift from him before Christmas. Won wamba kahle. Even the chairman of Orlando Pirates, I'm sure he's excited and happy. Mfana she trophy behind. Leading Orlando Pirates. So Nhlanhla. Ngisho the best for the boy. Let alone ukuthi yakwe country, it's a blessing in disguise. Ungamangala the way up life yakhe iprogress ngakhona quick angafika adlale only mhlambe 3 months. Yes, uthola ukuthi in Spain or wherever they say we want the boy done. The deal is done, they break your account cause damfana yikinta shota ngayo. We talk about Abu Marquinhos balingana nga best defender, one of the best defender in the world, the Brazilian Marquinhos. A defender zanjengaye abaphethe timing and let alone height. Lo mfana mfethu. Yeah, I think yonke into yenza ngereason ngisasho namhlanje uNkulunkulu bangafuna mina ngesibhamba dubule wena ebantwini kube ngathi mistake. Hayi bekumele kube njalo. So the boy akuna mistake, it was timing, right timing. Yaba ngibona ngoba kangobokazi bashayela izandla noNkulunkulu. So lo mfana Pirates lapha ngazi yothatha into engi suspect Pirates gonna struggle that boy. It's coming a second round. Ukuthi bathole somebody that will come and
feel those shoes.
Like Sipapa and that. Asmin kancane it's not gonna be
But
easy.
Potentially there's players that could possibly fill those shoes, Michael. Which players do you think will be able to fill those shoes? Njengoba hambile.
Mbokazi.
Yes.
Nhlanhla ngithi kuwe mina iPirates ishange debt.
Yeah.
There's still only Sanda. Seseno sesa. So I don't think ukuthi obvious uyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ongareplace omunye like.
Sure.
But sinele umuntu ozofila indle yakhe ukuthi nje bangaconsider bachubeke ngale performance yabo nje phela. but I
So you
see
still feel that the show will go on beautifully so? And will they actually maintain their position on top?
hlanhla bheka into ezenzakala ne nalaba beza la emva kwabo manje bazozuhela into engiyibona ngale league lena bazozuhela laba beze emuva ngoba nabo ubonile ne-Sundowns nabo yacala nayo yazuhela because yabona uma sekufike kule stage so kula ngamelanga usadlala ngokudrop ama-points kakhulu. So if you can check it different at this season and last season, into eyenzeka ku-Pirates and Sundowns, i-Pirates yalast season the same thing lento beyenzeka ku-Sundowns. Dropping lama-points lawa important, you can't ukuthi udrop ama-points noma kunjani mangabe ufuna ukuhlala lapha phezulu.
So abanye bathi umbrella, hey, Pirates isaphethe umbrella. This trophy is obvious. It belongs to Sundowns. Junior, when we started this season, kahle, I should be asking you this question. When you're like, it's obvious, Sundowns is withat, but isn't those manukshinja? And things have changed. We are halfway through the league, and it's a completely different log compared to what it was last season. Do you still feel that it will still go to Sundowns? Because that's what you said when the season started. Good to know, go obvious, good see, Sundowns is a winner. But your view and your thoughts right now?
Pirates the best team currently. I'm not going to change that.
Best team on top of the log.
Yeah, I'm not going to change it with the Sundowns. They're going to win the league. Last season, the Pirates went there and win. Yahlala number one. Mkhulumanga half of the season. It happened exactly which was a Riviera. He had the chance to win the league last season. They were different Sundowns by then. Bekonabo Ribeiro, yes. But now Sundowns is no longer the same. Let's be realistic. Dropping vital points engamelanga. But Sundowns ngihlale ngisho mina. They've got top class players. They let down by the coach. And also management. Mina ngisasho namanje. I think it downfall yabo is to bring this guy Flaming. That was a downfall. Ngiyayibona coach. Kuze kufika abu Cardos is because of this Flaming guy. And Orlando Pirates this season bane depth true. But the marathon, the Axie Cup, you don't need 3 games, 4 games there.
To be able to win.
Yeah, kuna player that can win you cups, kuna players that can win you league, marathon.
Yeah.
Psychological, they're gonna be able to maintain, sustain. Second round kuzobuya kakhulu. Yes, Unda one of the best. I mean, Minunda ge yabona le Unda heavy kakhulu for me. Yes, I can't compare with the Mbogas, but we talk about the international player that Nigeria. Begaba Esquantin se Nigeria kunguthi local player. I mean edlala kule league. I mean to say, let me put it that way. I let top class, but Pirates made peace with Unda ngekadlale. I think the Pirates, Noma is injured. I know what he was injured now, but Unda begano right. Pirates, I'm not too sure what is a coach. Because not Jose Rivera ngamdlalisa right. They made peace with is not gonna play. So I don't think Nomumboka Zambila will see Unda. I mean, you understand? But he player ke belingafika fit like it love lela. Even at experience cause ngihlale nginokukhuluma notho intwana zikwinela ama trophy. Yabo though compliment to Paris mixing experience now and intwana. But the league marathon, you need experienced players. You uzobona, I can tell you mina ngizokutshela second round ne. I don't think this guy Mikel Cardoso is going to last.
You don't think he's going to finish the season?
Angeke ayiqede this season naku Champions League makaqeda uphuma because I think into samhlalisa the Champions League. He's going to lose. They will dlala
Okay, so you believe it because he took them to the final. That's the reason why they're holding on to him for the Champions League.
Bona bana this hope, but now true the pressure with supporters.
Yeah.
Sometimes they invested a lot in players, even in the team. They spent too much money. They brought now international players, which is Nuno Nale Oresinho.
Yeah.
With expectations. But the truth is, team does not redeem anymore. The identity philosophy is different. Yes, Paris is up number 2. True.
Number 1.
I mean to say, but the Paris has game in hand. Yeah, number 1. Nkhuluma Sundowns. I'm talking about Sundowns.
Okay.
But truly speaking, how they play is not convincing as never compared to Orlando Pirates. Pirates, they are the best team currently. Njoba ngisho nhlanhla ngiyataking.
You're contradicting me. Uyangidida. Awungibuyisi.
Yeah, ngicela ukubuyisa.
Sure.
Sundowns ngisay mention second half.
Yeah.
Second round. Njoba ngisho coach is going to leave now. Not so long.
And whoever's going to replace him will still
win the league because it doesn't need a coach. Sundowns they need a coordinator.
And then he role ka Steve Kompela.
No, Steve, truly speaking, bengisakhuluma mina noNkululeko Sixoxa general. If I can be honest with you, Steve, I love Steve, but to Steve, man, there's a lot of questions now in Mbuza zone. As an assistant, angithi uMichael uyamuza ukhuluma ngoncikazi.
Yeah.
Kune-continuity at Orlando Pirates because of him. Kunezinto aziquestiona uyabona ukuthi
Njengoba khona
khona ezinye
system
izinto
like iyaqhubeka.
structure.
Sure.
uSteve ngathi akaziquestioni lezo zinto. That's why ngithi naye there will be a question mangabe uzohlala. I love Steve, ungcoachile ka-under 20, but I don't think kunento
Has he won
ayi-edayo.
anything as a coach?
Yeah.
Has he won anything as a coach?
No, as a coach, I don't remember him winning anything. So mabahambisa uKarius, I think uSteve naye true mase sikhuluma ivara.
Can he step up? Mhlambe mabangahambisa uKadoso.
Yeah, bazonika.
He can't manage Sundowns inhlanhla Steve.
Micah?
Mina ngithi ezimnyama azolithatha iligi. Yadle emnyama.
Izoyithatha iligi.
Ayithatha iPirates.
Sundowns.
So regardless of them being number one and not having, according to Junior, that the stability to actually push until the season is done, when are you still saying, what makes you say that? Kahle kahle.
Nhlanhla ngithi kuwe mina iPirates izowina iligi ibheka simple example nyani lula Nhlanhla. iPirates manje number 1 nge-game in hand. Nge-game in hand Nhlanhla. And if you check iPirates this season is different ngoba because ukuwina iligi akusukuthi iChiefs neSundowns.
Yeah.
You understand because if unga-check owadula asuka khona Nhlanhla ugcine nini nomuntu ukuluza Nhlanhla.
But he's allergic to losing apparently.
Walejik Nhlanhla uluze nomuntu kwakwata
And talking
ama-support.
about a coach that won Coach of the Month back to back. September and October, he was the Coach of the Month back to back. So it says a lot
Nhlanhla,
about him.
one thing I like about that guy Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho ngithi ucomplainisa abantu abaningi ne but squad management Nhlanhla angemshayela izandla Nhlanhla wonke umuntu fresh lapha Nhlanhla wonke umuntu happy. Dressing room yakho kumele ibe so mina ube ne-dressing room e-healthy Nhlanhla ungabe nomuntu ocomplainayo uyabona lapho wonke umuntu ongenayo uphakamisa isandla even if noma kuzoba nalama players ohlala dlala but lapha muku-Pirates uyabona ukuthi uhlezi usechansini ukuthi ungadlala noma kunini Nhlanhla.
Okay.
So yinto engenza ukuthi ngisho ngithi this season
Yeah.
ngale depth yabo
Bazowina.
bazoshaba.
Ayikho umbrella bayibambile.
Nalaba beza la movie into engibonile ne bazozidropela ama-point. Bazozidropela ama-point. Umzomnyama mobhizi ngani. So ukuthi nje lento nabi ingangeni inhloko njengoba bawinele 2 trophies yabo.
True.
Bazibone ngathi already because njengoba shwaka yona league it's a marathon. But bona nje mabangale mentality yabo manje. Nhlanhla iPirates yashisa Nhlanhla.
All right, guys, we need to close this. Junior, you saying Sundowns is going to
Izoyiwina iligi
win
Sundowns.
uthi iPirates izowina i-league.
Ngibhale phansi.
No, definitely I'll do that. With that said, we are closing the show. Do not forget, Iketo Ninja is still available on the link, guys. Junior Kanye, go to his platform and then you guys will be able to buy the book as well. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting, #WBS, #BetWithTheBest. That is all we have for you this week. We'll definitely be back next week talking about more football action and seeing how Mbogazi will be doing as soon as he gets that side. And we'll look into other things. As you know, Bafana Bafana is going into camp. We'll definitely unpack that. And what does this mean for South Africa? As we have qualified for the World Cup. Yo, guys, South Africa has qualified for the World Cup for the first time in a very long time. We have qualified not by default, but sidlalile, and we actually made it through. Keep on commenting on what the show is all about and following us on social media. It is Junior Kanye TV. We will be back next week and unpacking all things soccer for you. Danke siyabonga for joining us this week.